Hey guys, today's episode, test fitting the tins, putting the bags on, cutting the fender, getting this all to fit so that we can take it all apart and do the electrical. Okay guys, phase one. I have gone ahead and put this piece of tin on, and it seems to fit okay. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to make a tab down here to hold it back, or what I'm going to do, but that's not the biggest problem. The biggest problem is when I take this box and I put it into the hole like it's supposed to, it doesn't fit. Now, don't worry, I figured out what it is. This fender right here is for the California model. So it comes out too much. It's too deep. Not deep enough. Whatever, it doesn't fit. Luckily I have spare parts because I never throw anything out. So I have this beautiful inner fender. Isn't it lovely? It's got to be the most beautiful piece of... not really. Anyways, so it'll go in like this. Like this. Something like that. Anyways, so I'm going to pull this piece of tin off. I'm going to pull... this is actually a piece. It's not part of this up here. It's not part of this. This is a separate piece. This is a second piece. Not this piece. It's this piece. It comes out. I'm going to put the other one in. Cross my fingers. Cross my fingers. Then the box will fit. So I'll do that and I'll come back. Okay, so I put the ugly piece in the bike. I'm going to have to take it out. I'm going to paint it black because I don't have any of this red. I don't know where the red came from, so it's just easier to paint it black. You're not going to see it anyways. But if you do, I don't want to see this crowd. Okay, so that seems to have fixed it. I can put everything in one hand. I put the box in now. It sits flush up against there. It fits in there nicely. Looks good. But next two problems. Fix that one problem. There's two bolt holes here. Well, there's one bolt hole here. And there's one bolt hole here. Bolt to this down tube. This holds the exhaust system on. On the Sport, on the Sport, there's two nuts welded to this to bolt it to. So I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to do it. I might just drill through this and just use a nut and a screw to attach the box to. And then up front here on this piece, there's a bracket that holds on to that hole right there. So I'm going to have to make one of those. Okay, that's the first problem. Second problem is not a problem. This is the top fender piece for the bike. I haven't fitted in here yet, so just give me a second. It's only a pain in the ass the first and every time you do it. Okay, so that sits there. Is the end of the tins just sit there floating in space. That's because I need to use this piece. Now this piece replaces that piece only, and it has fins on it that line up with that. So I have to change that piece out as well. So this is easy. I've got to drill 2 holes in here, measure them, mark them, make a bracket here that I have very little idea what it looks like, and then change this out, and then mount these, then take everything off so I can make these right. But the reason I have to do that is I want to put the electrical in one of the boxes. I haven't decided left or right. I want to put all the electrical in there just to keep everything neat and tidy and protected. So that's it. That's all I've got to do. So I'm going to end this video here because I have a lot of stuff to do, a lot of measuring to do, and there's just no way I'll get this video out today. I'll hopefully get most of the stuff done today, but there's no way I'll get it out and edited today. So I'm just going to send you this short update. I am working on the bike. I'm problem solving. This is going to be probably one of the more difficult parts to do because I want everything to look good on the outside. It'll look good on the inside, but nobody will see that. Except if there's a fire, which we hopefully won't have. But yeah, so I'll get onto this. I'll send you an update maybe over the week. I'll send you a picture of it all buttoned up. But until then, in the meantime and in between time, but until then, grab a beer, kiss your wife, and have a great weekend.